is Hendrik from CANchecked, and today I will show you how to install DSS on a Windows system. So first we head over to CANchecked.de, go to the help section, find the DSS and go to installation download. Here you can find the download button for the production version, and I will also show you how to get to the beta version. That's CANchecked.de/beta. I will also put the link into the video description. So we head over to beta. Just for now, we go to DSS and we download the version we would like to install. So we will use the 035. I already downloaded it. We click the installer. Windows will warn us that if we want to really install it, we go to yes. Now you can choose whether you want to get a desktop shortcut or not for easier access. We skip that because we can also find it in the menu. It will install the DSS on your computer. Once the setup is finished, it will ask us whether we want to launch the DSS. So we just leave that button on and say finish. And that's about it. DSS is installed and now you can use it. Check out our other videos where we show you how to handle our display setup software. And that's about it. If you need any how-to videos on other products, let us know in the comment section. Bye.